In this video, we will provide a step-by-step guide on how to install smart irrigation controllers for optimal water savings. These controllers are designed to adjust the water output based on the weather and soil moisture, resulting in significant water savings up to 50%. By using smart irrigation controllers, not only will you conserve water, but you will also save on your water bill. So, let's get started. Before you start, it is crucial to choose the right smart irrigation controller for your lawn or garden. Consider the size of your landscape, the number of zones, and the type of plants you have. Many controllers have different features and capabilities. Some can be controlled with a mobile app, while others require a manual adjustment. Make sure to do your research and choose the one that fits your needs. Now that you have the right smart irrigation controller, it's time to prepare for installation. Start by finding the main water line and turning off the water. Next, locate the zone valves and the wiring system of your previous controller. It is crucial to keep track of the wiring system to avoid confusion during installation. Lastly, gather the necessary tools such as wire cutters, pliers, and electrical tape. The installation process may vary depending on the model of your smart irrigation controller. However, the general steps are the same. First, mount the controller on the wall near the old controller's location. Ensure that the wiring system and zone valves connect to the new controller correctly. Then, connect the rain sensors and the water flow sensor if included. Finally, connect the power supply and turn on the water mains. After the installation, proceed to set up and program the controller. Follow the manufacturer's instructions on how to navigate the control panel and set up the zones, watering schedule, and duration. Some smart irrigation controllers can also connect to Wi-Fi, allowing you to control and monitor your irrigation system remotely. Take the time to set up the controller correctly to maximize the potential water savings. Congratulations! You have successfully installed a smart irrigation controller. By doing so, you are now contributing to saving water and money. Smart irrigation controllers have benefits beyond water savings, including healthier plants, reduced maintenance, and increased property value. Thanks for watching this video on the step-by-step guide to installing smart irrigation controllers for optimal water saving. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on gardening and irrigation.